Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to clone anything in photo using EPIK photo editor. So if you have a photo and you want to clone an object in your photo, you can use this clone feature in EPIK, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So here at the home page, you can see there is a clone option. Just click on that and choose the photo that you want to clone. Okay, so I'm going to just choose this photo right here. So here I choose a photo of animals, and then you can adjust the hardness. You can also adjust the opacity and also the size of the brush. So here when you want to clone, you can move the circle first. So I'm going to clone this, for example, and then I'm going to move it in here, and you can also do that again like this. But if you don't want to the background to clone, also you can also just adjust the size, and you can zoom in. And here, for example, I want to just clone the deer. You can just go like this, and then you can put it somewhere else like this. Okay guys, so that is how you can clone anything in EPIK. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.